For free.
Oh, for free?
For free drink.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Alright. Yeah. If you insist, how could I resist? Lagi tayo nalilibre sa mga smaller traditional markets. Last time that we were in Mangwon, nilibre din tayo ng may-ari. Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Guripo Traveler. And it's a brand new day here in Seoul, South Korea. So kalalabas lang natin ng accommodation natin, guys. So yung accommodation natin, it's here in Hongdae na nabook natin via Klook. It's Mama's and Papa's guest house. So as in, sa street lang na to, nandyan yung accommodation natin, guys. And then you can use my promo code DivGinoKlook kung magbubuk kayo ng mga activities and hotel, for example, sa Klook or SIM card. So yun, hinahanap natin ngayon yung ating bus stop kasi tayo guys ay magpupunta sa Tong-In Traditional Market. Tong-In Traditional Market, nireko ito kasi nag-ask ako sa Instagram guys kung what to do in Seoul. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga maging chill yung trip na ito kasi if you don't know, we've been invited by Korea Tourism Organization to take on a 10-day trip around Korea. So 5 cities yon. And then ngayon, nag-extend tayo sa Seoul. So, yung extension natin guys, around 4 days. Tama ba? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Tama, 4 days yung extension natin. Ang dami na nating napuntahan na very touristy spot dito sa Seoul. So, gusto ko naman na magpunta tayo ngayon sa mga hidden gems or yung mga hindi masyadong nakita sa vlogs. So, yeah. Salamat kay Teacher Mai na nag-reco sa atin ng Tong-In. So, very sakto kasi, ayun, kalabas lang natin ng hostel natin at kakain tayo. Let's go! Hanapin natin ito. Ang gamit ko lang guys ay Google Maps kasi minsan nalito ako sa Naver Maps. So, Google Maps ang gamit natin. Ito. Tinitingnan lang natin dito guys kung saang bus stop, ano yung color, ano yung number ng bus na sasakyan natin, ilang minutes. Ito ang itsura ng Hongdae. Ayan. Samahan niyo kung mawala-wala. Kasi kung makita tayo ng 7-Eleven, kailangan kong loadan yung ating 7-Eleven, yung ating T-Money card sa 7-Eleven. Kasi baka kulang na pala yung laman ng T-Money card natin. T-Money card guys, yun yung ginagamit natin sa transportation ha. So para siyang beep card. Para siyang beep card ng Pilipinas. Ito magamit sa bus, tinatap lang natin sa bus. Okay? Ayun, may GS25. Mag-top up tayo guys ng T-Money card. Ang aliwalas ng panahon ngayon, nakakatuwa. Nakapag-top up na tayo ng T-Money card. So, di sila nag-accept ng card, like debit card or credit card, kung magta-top up tayo. Dapat cash lang. It's autumn season. Nakakamiss maglakad-lakad sa Seoul. Hanap-hanap ng bus stop. Kasi in the past 10 days, puro tayo very VIP experience natin guys. Lahat ng kinakainan, masasarap, pinag-isipan, yung the best talaga sa area. So ngayon, nag-expert tayo on my own. So this is very me. Diba? DIY na trip. Nalito-lito tayo, so di ko na yun vlinag. Pero ayun, nakaabot na tayo ng may Gwanghwamun. Malapit na tayo sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, this is the bus stop kung saan tayo bumaba. It's called... Ginagamit ko pa tong DJI. It's called Tong-In Market Jongno-gu Community Health Center. Okay? Tong-In Market Jongno-gu Community Health Center. Tong-In. Let's go and find the market. Ay, ayan na pala. Kailangan lang natin tumawid. Pero yan na yan. Yung Tong In Traditional Market. Nakakaloka yung journey natin, guys. Na-mention ko sa vlog, diba? Kalalabas lang natin na mag-2 p.m. Ngayon, mag-aalas 3 na. Or alas 3 na. Kararating lang natin. Minsan kasi, kahit ilang balik, 3 o 3 na pala. Kahit ilang beses na tayo nakabalik dito sa Korea, dami ko pa rin, you know, syunga moments or di ko pa rin gamay yung maps. Let's go. Parang nakaka-push tumawid, tas ang lamig pa ng hangin. Let's eat. I'm excited to eat my lunch. Ang ganda ng mga nakahilera ng mga puno. Yung iba namumula-mula na. Malapit na. Malamig na rin naman kasi dito sa Korea. Tong In. Dati ko pa to naririnig Tong In Market. As in, familiar na ako dito sa Tong In Market. Kasi nung nanonood ako may napanood ako isang vlog na feature yung Tong In Market. So now, ako naman ang mag-feature sa Tong In Market. Okay, sa likod ko guys, ito na yung Tong In Market. So, ito daw ang most unique na traditional market dito sa Seoul. Diba, ang usual kasi nating naririnig ay Gwangjang Market. Pero may mga nireko yung ibang vloggers or ibang, you know, locals talaga na iba't ibang traditional market na hidden gem. Last time nagpunta tayo sa Mangwon Market. This time naman itong Tong In. Kasi hindi pa tayo nagla-lunch, guys. Ang unique daw dito, meron daw ditong store or restaurant, kainan, na you can make your own lunch box. So tingnan natin. Ayan, itong bungad sa atin. Mga dried seafoods. Meron din ditong mga peanut. Hindi gaano maraming tao, guys. Given that it's a Sunday, parang hindi ganun karami yung tao. Ito, may iba't ibang kainan din. So, this is composed of 75 stores daw, tapos restaurants. Kayo, guys, mahilig din ba kayo mag-explore ng mga food kapag nasa ibang bansa? I think you should, di ba? Kasi that's part of the culture, yung pagkain. And may mga pagkain na syempre wala sa atin. Kahit sabihin natin may mga Korean stores sa atin, diba? Yan yung sinasabi nating Lunchbox Cafe. So maraming salamat po kay teacher nag-reco sa atin dito from the IG story. Pwedeng umakyat dito, second floor. Guys, ito talagang goal nating puntahan dito. Nakakaloka. But it's closed. Third Sunday na ba ngayon? Oh, shucks. Yes. Yes. Third Sunday ngayon. Sad. Nasad ako, guys. Hindi ko nakita online na close siya ng third Sunday. Pero sa Google nakalagay, it's closed on Mondays. Pero sayang. Ito kasi yung popular Lunchbox Cafe. You will buy coins. They will provide coins, and you can buy different foods dito gamit yung coins na binigay nila. So parang nakaka-ano siya, nakaka-traditional, very cultural na buying food here dito sa traditional market natin. But anyway, mukhang marami namang masarap. At least we've explored a market na hindi Gwangjang Market, diba? Tingnan nyo, ito yung Monday siya closed, pero apparently third Sunday closed din siya. So closed talaga siya today. So 11 to 3 p.m. every day except weekends. Okay? Ito yung schedule niya. Okay, pakita ko lang ulit. Second floor. Ayan, wala tayong magagawa. We have to accept. Acceptance is key sa mga bagay. Ganito talaga pag-travel. Feeling ko dapat mas naging masusi sa pagsasaliksik. Pagsasaliksik. Ayan, it is recommended to purchase a minimum of 20 coins per person. Remaining coins can be refunded. Carry the empty lunchbox container received with the coins and use the coins to purchase various foods at Lunchbox Coffee. So, itong Lunchbox Coffee, meron silang affiliate stores where you can buy your food with the coins that you purchased. Anyway, that's life. At least we're here, kakain. Hindi naman natin nasad ako, no? Bili lang tayo ng pagkain dito. Ang taray. Ito naman, punta ni Yu Jesuk. Tama ba? Yu Jesuk yung name niya. Yu Jesuk. Yung host and comedian. Siya si Yu Jesuk. So may mga ano dito, may mga stores na naging filming spot ng mga variety shows. Ayun. So pinupunta din talaga itong Tong-In Market ng different celebrities and different variety shows. Example. Uy, Shinmin Ah. Ayun, no? Oh, Shinmin Ah. Park Shin-hee. Ayun, no? Park Shin-hee. Park Shin-hee was here. Dami pang stars na nagpunta dito. Ang happy naman. Hanap tayo na makakainan dito. May mga stores din talaga na pinipilahan. Ito ay pinuntahan ni Kim Hee-e. Yan, no? World of the Married. Itong chicken pinipilahan. Meron din ditong takoyaki place. As we explore more, marami pa tayong makikitang kainan. Ito naman, may pa-dessert. Ice cream. Parang gusto ko itong itay mamaya. Tokboki. Ito affiliated to ng Lunchbox Cafe. Mahaba pa pala itong ano. Mahaba siya. Itong Tong-In Market. Ay, tas parang may hanok dito. Mga traditional na mga bahay-bahay sa Korea. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito yung mga gusto ko pag nag-explore tayo eh. Kasi may mga hidden gems tayong nakikita. Yan. Parang nice here. Ito mga kakanin. 3.5. Magkano ba ang 3.5? 146 pesos. Yung kakanin. May mga prutas. In fair naman, dito sa Tong-In Market, ang daming options. Tapos, hindi siya yung overwhelming. Kasi parang iba-iba. Tapos, hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, parang yung choices mo, mas mabilis ka makakapili. Tapos, yung utak mo, agad-agad na magde-decide kung ano yung gusto mong kainin. Kasi sa ibang market, masyadong malaki siya for me, yung other markets. Pero, kaya ako nagtatagal kasi masyadong malaki, na-overwhelm ako. Dito naman, siguro ganun yung advantage for me ng mga not so big markets such as Tong-In Market. Kasi mabilis tayong makakapili na kakainin natin. Ito na lang tayong chicken na pinipilahan. Let's go. It's sold out. Anyway, sold out guys. So, the theme of our vlog, things are not going on our way. Yun ang tema ng ating vlog today. On the other hand, sharing, may natatanaw tayo ditong cute guys. Amy, kain na lang tayo. Dami rin namang choices dito. Gusto ko lang pilahan yung chicken kasi yan yung mahaba yung pila. Pero let's see kung ano pang pwede nating makain dito. Cheese kimchi jon.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, kamsamnida. Chon is pancake na may cheese. Alright, next set ako. Our first order is cheese kimchi jon. So it's 5,000 won. Around 209 pesos yan. So ito, sa stall na to. Mukhang masarap. Tapos Halmoni, tapos Sarabuji yung nagtitinda dito. And yan. Cooking the pancake. In our trip sa different 5 cities, kakain tayo din ng ganyan, cheese pancake. Ang plano natin today ay mag-order tayo ng at least siguro 3. Ayan, kasi di tayo kumain ng rice. So tatlong pagkain ng orderin natin. Oh. Guys, ayan, nilagyan na ng cheese ang ating pancake. Wow! so excited! Mashisoyo? Mashisoyo. Tapos 209 pesos. I think okay na pala ako sa dalawa. Ganyan tapos isang dessert. Wow! Look at the cheese. Kamsamnida! Sorry? Hot. Can I eat here? Can I eat here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Wow. Thank you. Kain tayo guys. Mainit-init pa siya. Cheese. So nakakain tayo nito sa Mokpo. Our first meal, lunch. Wow, grabe. Yung cheese, oh.
저희
와.
깻잎도 하나 주세요.
깻잎은 지금 있어요.
없어요?
Look.
동그랑땡은 있어요.
Wow. Ang sarap. Ngayon palang nararamdaman ko ng masarap siya. Kain na tayo habang mainit pa. Sarap ang init. As a cheese lover, ang sarap. Sarap. My heart is full. Yun. Ito yung first meal natin in this solo trip. Grabe. Dami mo, cheese. Talagang nag-melt. May pagka-crispy din yung pancake. Yung mga gilid-gilid. And I love it. Charay. Mashisoyo. Mashisoyo. Hot is togo? Hot togo?
뜨거.
Togo, hot.
뜨거워요.
Hot togo. Sarap siya ng togo. Hot is togo. Mashisoyo togo. Mashisoyo togo. Friendly yung lola dito. Tapos tinawag niyang Yubo, yung asawa niya. So, kapag magpupunta kayo dito sa Tong Inn, hanapin nyo to. Nakita nyo naman sa video. Basta maliit lang naman yung Tong Inn, so mahanap nyo siya. I love the vibe here. Very traditional, di ba? Malayo sa Myeongdong, na very touristy. Sa Gwangjang Market, na very touristy. Dito, it's just us. Yun. Enjoying our kimchi pancake. Do you have trash can? 감사합니다. 이모님. 맛있어요. 감사합니다. Oh yeah, DJI? Where are you from?
China.
China.
Yeah.
It's hard to find, right?
Yeah.
Very hard to find. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Ang sarap, guys, ng... grabe yung... pawi, lahat ng lungkot na hindi tayo nakapag-lunchbox cafe. Kasi ang sarap nung cheesy kimchi pancake. Ito pinipilahan. Parang gusto ko ting kumain dito. Pero wait lang. Ang sarap nung kimchi pancake. Siguro si Imonim. Tira ko siyang Imonim. Natuwa siya. Ilang taon na siguro siyang gumagawa ng kimchi pancake. And it shows. It tastes like years of experience. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Ano kayang area na to? No? Ang aliwalas. Tong Inn Market. Di ko gets yung text. I mean, di ko gets ang ibig sabihin. Ng 10 to 17, 10 to 5, tas 10 to 8 p.m. Anyway, let's go. Let's grab a drink. Dito naman, Jamidang. Guys, mga nakahanggol. Wait lang, hanap pa tayo ng iba. Pero nakahanggol dito, guys. Ang pinipilahan dito, guys, ay hotok. Hotok. Parang gusto kong bumili dyan later. Hotok. Meron din ditong mga raw na raw na mga meat. Ayan. Masarap din to guys, yung ice cream na coated ng some sugar. This one. Nakatikim tayo ng Samyongdong. Di hamak guys na mas mahal talaga yung food trip sa Myeongdong, as in. Yung ganyang nabili ko ay nasa 8,000 sa Myeongdong. Pero here, it's just 4,500. Diba? Almost half ng price. So kung mag-food trip kayo guys, better food trip talaga sa mga traditional market. Kasi mas makakamura kayo. Diba? Ganap tayo ng maiinom. Sinecheck ko yung price ng ibang kimchi. Look, pero baka naman mas malaki. 10,000 won. Doon 5,000 won lang. Cheesy pancake na. So, pero baka mas malaki naman talaga dito. Eh, mas mahal lang siya. Indecisive ako guys. At wala na tayong makitang ibang drinks. I think mag-ano lang talaga tayo. Yung cafe doon sa bungad ng market. Cute baby. Dito din may mga restaurant talaga, pero gusto ko yung mga, mga nasa stall lang. Gusto ko na lang mag-street food. Like yun, mga pancake, ganyan. Para at least marami akong makakain. Yung equivalent ng full meal ay parang 3 street food na yun, or 2 street food. Kayo guys, anong favorite nyong street food? Korean street food, or Korean food? Comment down below. Charing. Ang saya guys, may CR dito oh. Oh, may toilet. Very nice yung market. Kasi may pa-toilet siya. Ooh. Meron ditong drinks. May Makgeolli Yakult. 3,001 Makgeolli Yakult. Ang angas ng nila, pang bagets yung disenyo nila. Nakaka-off-brand sa Tong-in traditional market. Ang taray, very modern. You accept card, right?
Yeah.
You accept card?
Yeah.
Card.
Ah! Yeah.
That's nice. Bili tayo dito ng Makgeolli Yakult.
Makgeolli Yakult.
Yes,
yeah.
Makgeolli Yakult. May iba dito nag-accept ng card. I'm so happy. Kamsahamnida. You've been there, Philippines?
Yeah, the Boracay.
Boracay.
Beautiful island. Yeah.
The sunset, right?
Yeah, beautiful, yeah.
And the sand, white sand.
Yeah, white sand. 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
You should come back to Boracay. Or maybe try Cebu.
Cebu.
Cebu. It's popular among Koreans.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. What's the name of your style?
Kokoro Recipe.
Kokoro
Recipe.
Recipe.
Yeah, recipe.
Kokoro Recipe.
Yeah, Kokoro Recipe.
What does Kokoro mean?
Kokoro means mine.
My,
Yeah,
my recipe.
Yeah, mine recipe.
Makgeolli Yakult.
Can you review our place?
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
Google Maps.
Google Map. Kokoro Recipe. Kokoro Recipe.
COCORO Recipe.
COCORO Recipe.
Yeah.
Anassayo, kamsahamnida.
YouTube?
Yeah.
TikTok?
I also have TikTok, YouTube. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What's
Alright. Dave. A new subscriber from Korea. What's your name? Your name.
Korean name?
Yeah.
Kyungho.
Kyungho.
Yeah, Kyungho.
Your English name?
English name, David.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
Dave. Yeah, I'm Dave.
Really?
That's me. That's
yeah,
me.
David.
Yeah,
Kind of,
David
yeah.
and I'm Dave. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
6 million?
No. 60, just 60,000.
60,000.
60,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kamsahamnida. We're actually invited by the Creatorism organization to tour around Korea. I'm just a small creator. I'm not very big. I'm just small creator.
No. This big.
Mashisoyo.
Why so?
Refreshing.
refreshing,
What is
yeah.
refreshing in Korean?
상쾌합니다.
Sankyuhamnida.
상쾌합니다.
Sankyuhamnida. Ooh, Sankyuhamnida. Yeah, Sankyuhamnida.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We have David, our new subscriber,
Yeah.
Pang Korea.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. You're so good.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have.
We have our
Alright.
yeah,
The Kokoro store.
our restaurant
Oh.
Instagram.
Okay, I'll just tag you guys on my IG story. Yeah, this
Dave,
one.
wow.
David. Dave.
Dave Guino.
Yes,
Right?
Gino.
Guino.
Gino. Yes, you pronounce it right.
Dave Guino.
Gino. Yeah, you pronounce it right.
Okay.
Oh,
Power.
kamsahamnida.
Yeah.
I'll definitely give a good review because this is really delicious.
Yeah.
Masih.
Thank you very much.
Sokyuhamnida?
상쾌.
Sangkwehamnida.
Yeah.
Sangkwehamnida.
상쾌합니다.
Thank you.
Would you like to try use sour?
The lemon.
For free.
Oh, for free?
For free drink.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Alright. I'll taste the what? Lemon sour?
Gohung.
Gohung. What is that? It's my first time to...
Gohung is the place of Korea.
So it's a place in Korea?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a city?
Far from Seoul.
Far from
Yeah,
Seoul.
far from Seoul.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's the first time that
Yeah.
that's why I didn't try. But
Yeah.
if you insist,
Yeah.
how could I resist? Nakalibre pa tayo dito. In fair naman sa store na to, libre pa tayo ng isang Gohung Yuzu Sour na drinks on top of this. So, syempre, itay na natin, diba? So, diba kanina things weren't going on our way, but eventually, anyong. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Bye-bye. Ayan, Korean kid. Minsan may magpo-photo bomb na lang. So yeah, this is such a nice experience. Nalibre pa tayo dito, guys, ng isang drink. Oh, kamsahamnida.
Huge sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go
Just ate.
Gohung Yuzu Sour from Kokoro Recipe. Or it says here, I just follow back. Is it this is new? This is a new this is a new stall.
Yeah.
This is new?
Yeah,
You are
new.
Oh.
Yeah, we opened
Okay.
2 weeks ago.
Oh,
Yeah, 2 weeks
yeah. That's why.
Yeah.
Congratulations for
Oh, yeah.
opening.
Thank you very
Yeah, looks delicious.
Yeah.
Because I'm doing a vlog on underrated markets. So I think Tong In is something that we don't really hear about. It's always Gwangjang Market.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
today is a regular holiday in Tongin Market. Third week. Sunday is a regular holiday.
Alright.
Yeah.
So there are only few stalls open, right?
Yeah, right.
Good thing you're open. Good thing you are open today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Kamsahamnida for opening. Gohung Yuzu Sour. Why is it called Yuzu? Let's try this one. What is Yuzu? Yuzu.
It's a fruit.
A fruit.
Yeah.
Yuzu is a fruit. This tastes like soda. Is this soda?
Yeah.
Soda.
and juice. Yeah.
Soda and juice. Yeah, this tastes nice. Refreshing. Lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, lemon. Yeah. Citrus.
Juno? Third fruit? Juno?
Yeah.
Juno?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I think similar to lemon.
Yeah.
Because I can taste lemon right now.
Yeah.
The citrus Juno. May I see?
Juno.
okay.
Citrus Junos.
Alright. So guys, ano to ha? Parang lemon. Hindi ko sure kung lemon talaga, pero mukhang lemon. When I was walking around and then I saw this, I felt like, oh, this is so very youthful. Yeah, this.
Really?
Yeah, you stand out. You stand out, guys.
Yeah.
I think this will be a hit. You should promote this more.
Yeah.
Because it's a combination of being traditional and
I don't know, Makol.
modern. Makol, yeah, we drank that in Jeonju. Yes, in Jeonju we drank that. I was in Jeonju
Right.
last week.
Yeah,
Yes. Makguli. Not tasty, they will refund. May ganun sila, guys. Kapag hindi daw masarap, i-refund nila. Sure naman silang masarap itong grilled pork spring onion. Yan. Share ko lang, guys. Lagi tayo nalilibre sa mga smaller traditional markets. Last time that we were in Mangwon, nilibre din tayo ng may-ari ng Teponim ng Pepsi. So it just feels nice to feel yung pagiging hospitable ng mga Koreano, di ba? We can feel it here. So super nice. Monday close pala sila, guys, ng Monday dito. Kamsahamnida, David. See you next time.
I will send
The photo.
Yeah,
alright.
the photo.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
see you. Ang bait. We were really treated well doon sa Kokoro Recipe. My heart is really full. Like, that's the peak Korean hospitality that we experienced. Ngayon busog na ako. As in, nabusog ako ng 2 drinks. Nabusog na rin tayo sa usapan, conversation with David, diba? Ang dami niyang shinare, tas photographer siya. So, very creative. Kaya diba, for me, nag-stand out din yung story niya kasi it's very hip and it's in the middle of Tongkin traditional market na very traditional. May tambayan din dito guys sa labas ng Tongin traditional market. Kaya I decided bibili tayo ng hotok. O diba? Indecisive si Akla. Pero parang ang sarap ng hotok. So bili tayo. Nalibre naman tayo ng drink. So let's buy. Malamig din. So I think I need something hot. Hotok. Ayan, wala nang pila. So order tayo ng hotok. 2,001. Right. This hotok is 85 pesos. One of our favorite Korean desserts, hotok. Pancake siya, honey, tawag dito? Seed hotok. Black sesame, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, and peanut. Yes, let's eat.
먹는 거 알아. 끓여봐 그럼. 거기다 반말은 먹게. 반말은 먹게 저기라고. 심심하게.
Malamis-namis at mainit-init pa. Ang labo. Pero gusto ko yung may palaman siyang honey-ish na basta ang sarap. Hindi ako food vlogger guys. Meron siyang feeling na honey. Honey ba ito? Basta matamis. Manamis-namis. Tapos may mga seed-seed. Love the texture. May pagka-chewy siya. And at the same time, medyo crispy yung outside. Nakakatuwa din dito guys kasi they accept card. May stalls dito, may stores na they are accepting card. Gusto ko pala to guys, wala tayong sinusunod na oras. Like kanina, 'di ba, nakapagchikahan pa tayo with David. Ang saya ng DIY. At ang saya ng solo travel. Kasi wala ka gaanong iniisip, sarili mo lang. 'Di ba? Kasi pag group, daming kailangan i-consider. This time, it's all kontrolado natin. Nag-English, it's all in our control. Alright guys, so this is our experience in Tongin Traditional Market. So, again, today is the third Sunday of the month. So, maraming close. Pero may mga bukas pa rin naman. So, na-imagine ko lang kung gaano ito ka-bustling kung hindi third Sunday of the month. And it's nice here because it's cheaper versus in Myeongdong. So, kung gusto talaga natin mag-food trip, ang sasarap pa dito, diba? Ang sasarap din ng mga pagkain dito. And the most important thing, as a Gripo traveler, mas mura yung pagkain dito. My heart is full kasi na-experience agad natin yung Korean hospitality. Diba? Willing pa siyang ilibre tayo guys ng steak, pero nahiya na ako. Okay na, busog na po ako sa pinainom ninyo. But this is a core memory. Yung pinunta talaga natin dito guys ay yung lunchbox na cafe. But it's not open. Pero nilid tayo ng Panginoon sa better things such as meeting David earlier, eating the cheesy pancake. Kung kayo magpupunta ng Korea or ng Seoul, at least may idea na kayo kung saan kayo pwede pumunta for food trip. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, pero masasarap yung pagkain. Alright? This is Dave guys, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Tara, Kaja, alas 5 na.